U.S. Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross today met Commerce Minister Suresh Prabhu and agreed to engage regularly at various levels to resolve the outstanding issue. Remember, Ross is in India to attend the 11th Trade Wind Business Forum, which is hosted by the U.S. Department of Commerce. India and U.S. have also agreed to explore mutually beneficial solution. Remember, U.S. Commerce Secretary met the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley as well.
The oil is owned by private people.
Yes.
So the government cannot force people to make concessionary prices.
Sure.
I think Iran is a problem. You've seen recent terrorism incidents. All of us should be doing whatever we can against terrorism.
Parisha Tyagi from our reporting team has been tracking the story. She's joining us with all the details.
U.S. Commerce Secretary met Finance Minister Arun Jaitley earlier today, and later in the evening he held a meeting with Indian Commerce Minister Suresh Prabhu. After meeting with Jaitley, the U.S. Commerce Secretary told reporters that the U.S. does not plan on giving any concessions to Indian oil companies after the crude oil prices went up after India stopped importing crude oil from Iran following the U.S. sanctions. Other than that, in the meeting with Suresh Prabhu, both the sides expressed satisfaction over the ongoing trade between the countries in 2018 and also expressed a resolve to solve the outstanding issues. Speaking of the outstanding issues, the issue of GSP was crucial after U.S. ended India's preferential status for trade. Other than that, India and U.S. have also been at loggerheads after India tweaked its FDI policy, hurting U.S. giants like Amazon and Walmart. The issue of high-tech structure by India is also likely to have been discussed in the meeting, but all in all, both sides expressed willingness to cooperate to boost business and to move towards a path of economic prosperity.